Hey guys, what's up? It's the Apple Friend Helper. In this video, I want to be talking about this new tweak that came out not too long ago in the Cydia store called Bolt. There it is, right there, B-O-L-T, and this is free in the Cydia store. Basically, what this will do is it will replace this, remove the little battery at the top right-hand corner in the status bar, and just replace it with the battery percentage. And this will add no icons to your home page, but it does add some a settings section to configure, and basically here we can just enable and disable the battery percentage. Now if we actually plug in our device to charge using the USB cable, you will see up the top right hand corner where the battery is, it will replace the battery and it will put a little bolt. So let's just plug that in now, and as you see right there, we've got a bolt to show that it's charging. So that's about it. Also, I'd like to talk, just like to say, my friend got a YouTube channel, so you can check out the video description below and go to the link and subscribe down there. And that's about it. Go subscribe to my friend. Get this tweak. This is free in Cydia called Bolt. And that's about it. Like this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all later.